These people are excited. They just discovered the benefits of electricity choice in Ohio. They just found out how easy it is to lower their electric bill. Simply by shopping for a lower electric rate, they are saving money. Who wants to overpay for electricity? Ohio Electricity Choice allows customers to compare different electric rate offers from different electricity suppliers. This forces the suppliers to compete for your business, and in the end you win by getting the lowest Ohio electric rates offered. Shopping for lower electric rates in Ohio is simple. If you receive an electric bill from AEP Ohio, Ohio Edison, Duke Energy, AES Energy, Illuminating Company, or Toledo Edison, you can save money by shopping for competitive Ohio electricity rates. If you don't shop, you will pay the utility default rate from your utility company. When you choose a competitive electricity rate plan, that rate replaces the utility default rate on the bill. You continue to receive one electric bill from your utility company. The only thing that changes is the rate that you pay. When you shop, compare, and choose a plan at electricrate.com, we make sure that your switch occurs smoothly, without any power interruption, and without any termination fees from your previous rate plan. We guarantee 100% customer satisfaction. Plus, when your plan expires, we will make sure that you are notified and update you with the lowest rates available at that point in time. This way, you don't end up on a high variable rate, and you aren't just receiving renewal rates from your current supplier. We make the Ohio electricity companies compete for your business. Above all, we take customer service seriously. If you have a problem, we are here for you as your personal energy concierge. Shop now at electricrate.com. Electricrate.com, let's lower that electric bill.